Use Report 2031 Recruitment Age-Eligible Children to locate siblings eligible for the upcoming enrollment year. Click on the Reports tab and select the Enrollment category. Open Report 2031 Recruitment Age-Eligible Children. Select the program term along with age requirements. Click to select the current locations and determine how you want to group and sort your participants. Press Preview to view the report. You now have a list of eligible children found within your database. Use the available contact information to reach out to the families or send notices home with the siblings currently participating in the program. Be on the lookout for the next #CPSmart video.